Good morning, everybody. It's good to be with you all, and for me, this will be my last address to you this term by video link. Well, I want to give you a message, therefore, that you can hold in your mind quite easily and look towards to remind you and to sort of, in some ways, evaluate where you are as you go through the summer and then come back to school, hopefully together physically in September. Well, there's three things I want you to think about, and it's what I'm going to call the three bones: the wishbone, the backbone, and the funny bone. First, I'll start with the wishbone. I want you all to think, where am I with my wishbone? And what I mean by wishbone, I don't mean wishing for unicorns and rainbows. I mean a wishbone to where I am with my optimism and my outlook. What am I wishing to have in my life and the life of others? And how am I trying to live that out and make it happen and be that difference to create that optimism? What am I wishing for, and how am I going to make it happen? So where's your wishbone? Your backbone. We all know that the last few months, especially since we've not been together, have been difficult. And we've all needed a backbone of determination to crack on and to do our best and to still progress and flourish in all that we do. So I want you to keep believing in yourselves and have that strong grit and backbone to know that we can come out of this, and when we come back together in September, be even stronger and flourishing more than we ever have before. And then there's the funny bone. When you bang your funny bone, it's not that funny, is it really? It hurts a lot. But when you do that, I know myself, and it might be that I'm a bit weird, but I do laugh because I feel like a bit of an idiot normally of however I've done it, especially if there's other people around. And to laugh at yourself takes humility. So to have a funny bone and to not take yourself too seriously, to remember that life is a far longer game and we need patience in all that we do than we ever really imagine. And to have humility and just love the simple things around us and be grateful for that takes our funny bone to be in place. So I want you to think about that: your wishbone, your backbone, and your funny bone as you now progress through the summer holidays. And in that, we know that when we look at Jesus' life, if you gave one word to how Jesus presented himself to his disciples, it was relaxed. He always got the best out of people, not because he chastised them, but because he taught them in parables and showed them a way to love, which is greater than all of those who were around him at the time. And what happened? People followed, and their lives were transformed. And so I hope each one of us can remember that as we go through this summer and look forward to coming back together. My final thing I want to say to you is that next week, and I do look forward to this, is that Mrs. Fawn will be giving us our last assembly as a school. And I know for her that will mean so much, because she has done so many wonderful things for us at our school and progressed the school to where it is today, and for that we must be thankful. And so I know I send my prayers and best wishes to her from afar, and I hope you all do too. And so for now, may God bless you all. I send you my love and my best wishes, and I know do all of the rest of the staff. And I cannot wait for us to be physically back together later this year. Amen.